The rounding list is really the home screen for the physician in Excel Mobile. I'm going to show you a few tricks that will make it easier to manage for the physician. There's a whole nother video for how patients get onto this list and how administrative staff can help manage that process. So that's not what we're going to talk about today. One of the first things that you might want to do if you see patients at multiple locations is filter your list down to the location that you're presently working on. So I'm going to filter and show only the patients that are at Lake Forest Hospital. You'll notice that does a few things. Number one, it takes away the column for the location since all these patients are at Lake Forest Hospital. Number two, at the top it also shows me next to Lake Forest Hospital that I have 8 patients at this particular location, and I have 7 that I have not yet completed the encounter for. That helps me make sure that I complete all of the encounters for today. A couple of things that I might want to do, if I want to discharge a patient, it's very, very simple. Then I can hit discharge. I'll get a little confirmation making sure that's what I want to do, and I'll tap on OK. It'll discharge that patient and take that patient off my list for tomorrow. If I need to transfer a patient, I can also do that by tapping on Transfer. This will bring me up a quick list of the other providers that I work with, so I can transfer this particular patient to Dr. Shields. And it'll again let me know that this patient has been transferred so that Dr. Shields can complete the encounter for Miss Elway for today. There may be certain scenarios where you need to discharge or transfer multiple patients at the same time. If you need to do that, tap on Actions, and that will let you multi-select by using the check boxes, and then you can either discharge, transfer, or hide those particular rounding entries. For this example, I'm going to tap on Hide. What Hide will do is actually temporarily take them off of my view. That makes it a little bit easier for some people to manage their list so that at the end of the day they see a blank list and they know that they've seen everyone that they need to see. There's also a way to unhide any rounding entries that you have hidden. To access those hidden rounding entries, tap on Action and then tap on Display Hidden. You'll see a list of the rounding entries that have been hidden, and you can simply unhide by tapping on the Unhide button, and then you'll hit Cancel to take you back to the rounding list, and you'll see the rounding entries that you had previously hidden will reappear.